back, and I am your math sir, as you all know, IELTS sir, and we proceed with complex numbers. We've already done the basic part, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि concept वाला part तो मैंने तुम लोग बता दिया. We understood what is a complex number, how is a complex number written. A complex number is written in the form a plus bi. और ये कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आया कहाँ से? वी केम टू नो दैट रियल नंबर्स, इमेजिनरी नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़े. आई शोड यू ऑल द नंबर सिस्टम्स. और इमेजिनरी नंबर्स का एक टाइप इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर विच इज रिटन द फॉर्म a plus bi, जिसमें भी विच एवर पार्ट हैज आई, दैट इज द इमेजिनरी पार्ट, और जिसमें आई नहीं है, दैट इज द रियल पार्ट. और फिर आई ऑल्सो टुक यू ऑल थ्रू द वेरियस important things like what is the conjugate of a complex number. So today we're going to do the first exercise of this chapter. So let's understand. So just for easy access मैंने पहले से ही कुछ sums लिखा है. Now इसमें क्या starting का कुछ sums मैं करूँगा, कुछ sums alternate sums I'll give you for homework. Please see that तुम लोग उसको seriously लो, homework करो और मेरे को भेजो, so that I can correct and give you whether you have understood the topic or not. I'll try to do major sums, and of course all the difficult sums will be solved. Basic concepts तो already हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. Addition, subtraction, multiplication of complex numbers, how are complex numbers expressed, how did the concept of complex number originate, ये सब हम लोग last lecture में पढ़ चुके हैं. Now today we go to the exercise part. In your textbook it is page number 37, और page number 37 का first question मैंने पूरा लिख के लिया. So whenever we have any complex number a plus bi, तो उसका imaginary part का ही हम लोग को sign change करना है. तो conjugate will be a minus bi. So first we have 3 plus I, यानी कि 3 plus 1i. तो उसका conjugate will be 3 minus I. और 3 minus I दिया तो उसका complex conjugate will be 3 plus I. तो इस तरह इमेजिनरी पार्ट का साइन चेंज करना है. तो इफ यू लुक एट ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पे √7i है और उसके आगे माइनस है, तो ये बाजू प्लस डालना है. दूसरा सम, दिस वन वाज अ ट्रिकी सम. हम लोग को -√(-5) दिया था. वी ऑल नो दैट i square is -1, और वी कैन से i is square root of -1. तो यहाँ पे मैंने -1 लिखा और वो रूट के अंदर है, तो इट विल बी आई. इसलिए इधर आई डायरेक्टली भी ले सकता है, अगर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट डायरेक्टली. नहीं तो आई स्क्वायर लिख के मैंने आई को रूट के बाहर निकाला. सो इसका कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट -√5 प्लस √7i, बिकॉज ये माइनस है. नाउ ये वाला सम इज माइनस, सो इट इज समवॉट लाइक 0 minus √5i. So this will become 0 plus √5i, or we can simply write √5i is the complex conjugate. Now if I have 5i, because it's an imaginary part, it will be -5i. √5 minus i, so √5 plus i. √2 plus √3i will be √2 minus √3i. मैंने तुम लोग को कंसेप्ट भी बताया था कि why do we use complex conjugate or conjugate of a complex number. It is basically used to rationalize the denominator. जब भी denominator में irrational दिया रहेगा तो complex से multiply करेगा. तो when we multiply both, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So we all know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So if I have 3 plus 2i into 3 minus 2i, so this will become 3 square minus 2i the whole square, 9 minus 4i square. I square का value is -1. So I square के जब -1 डालेगा तो -4 minus 1 will become minus plus 4. So this will become 9 plus 4, so it will become 13. So the main usage of complex conjugate is normally to rationalize the denominator. So this finished the first sum. Now we come to the second question. Now in the second question there are a series of sums that are given. I've just written 2 of them on the board. I'll be doing a few of them. So the first sum that I've written on the board is the one which is given like this. They are asking us to express it, मतलब वो लोग बोलते हैं कि write it in the form a plus bi. and find A and B. So we always start let A plus B is equal to whatever the sum is, and then we go to simplify. तो नॉर्मल बचपन में हम लोग ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो पढ़ा 1 इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस आई प्लस 2i minus 2 plus I. Sorry. So you get minus 2 plus I plus into minus minus 4i plus into plus plus 2i square. I square का value is minus 1. So when we simplify this, it will become minus 2 minus 3i plus 2 into minus 1. Reason, since I square is equal to minus 1. Now when we take these two together, this is minus 2, this is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 will give you minus 4, minus 3i. Is that clear? So by equality of complex numbers, we know that this and this complex number are equal. A is equal to minus 4 and B is equal to minus 3. This is how we do the breakup. Okay. Now second sum भी मैंने लिखा हुआ है. So we go with the second sum. First हम लोग numerator को simplify कर लेते हैं. 1 into 4 is 4i plus 3i square upon 1 minus I. So I square का value we all know is minus 1. So it will become minus 1 plus 4i. Complex number typically a plus bi के format में लिखते हैं. So I write in the number first. Okay. I'm sorry, this is not minus 1 into 3. So this will be minus 3 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 4i upon 1 minus I. Whenever we have any type of complex numbers just by denominator in the form a plus bi, so we always have to remember that we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. So this is the denominator. So what we will be doing, minus 3 plus 4i, 1 minus I. So the conjugate is 1 plus I. So we normally write it also, multiplying and dividing by conjugate of denominator. Okay, now ऊपर में multiply, नीचे में multiply. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 into I, minus 3i. 4i into 1 plus 4i. 4i into I plus 4i square. And down we have a plus b, a minus b type. So it will be 1 square minus I square. We take the similar terms together. Now again, if you look into this, minus 3 and this I square will become minus 1. So minus 3 and minus 4 will give you minus 7. And this 2 will give 4 minus 3 will give you plus I. Denominator में you will get 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So you will get minus 7 plus I upon 2. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll give this 2 to both. So this will become minus 7 upon 2 plus I upon 2. So this I upon 2 can also be written as 1 upon 2 I, because we want to express it as a plus bi. Then by equality of complex numbers, I have explained that in the last lecture. If two complex numbers are equal, the real part is equal and their imaginary part is also equal. So A will be equal to minus 7 upon 2 and B will be equal to half. Just take a few seconds, write down this as clearly as possible, and we go with the next sum. Okay guys, let's continue further. Now first exercise ka second question ka third or fourth sum, because this is the beginning part, I want you to understand the basics very clearly. सबसे पहले हम लोग डिनोमिनेटर को एक्सपैंड कर लेंगे। तो 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, minus 1 into I is minus I, minus 2I square. इसको further simplify करेंगे तो this will become minus 1. So this one and this one will go together. 2 plus I upon 3. This will become minus of minus 2 to plus 2. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. So it will be 5 plus 5I. Now we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate of the denominator is 5 minus 5I and down 5 minus 5I. So यहाँ पे what we will write? Multiplying and dividing by 5 minus 5I, which is the conjugate of the denominator. Again, when we multiply 2 into 5, 10, 2 into minus 5, minus 10I, I into 5 plus 5I, I into minus 5, minus 5I square upon, this is a plus b into a minus b, so it will be 5 the whole square minus 5I the whole square. Again, minus 5 into minus 1 because I square is minus 1. So whenever we use that, we typically write it in the bracket. यहाँ पे when we are writing, bracket में लिखो when you are writing that line, since I square is minus 1. I am writing it here. In this case, I have to write it. So it will be 10 plus 5 because minus 1 into minus 5 will be plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 5I upon 5 5 is 25 minus 5 minus 25I square. 25 minus 25I square. Again here I square का value putting minus 1. So it will be 15 minus 5I upon 50. So instead of this I square I have taken minus 1. So this will become minus 25 into minus 1 plus 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Okay. Now after that we split them up. 15 upon 50 minus 5 upon 50I. So we can cut them out. 5 ones are 5 tens are 5 threes are 5 tens. So we get 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10I, and then we say by equality of complex numbers. If we compare, A will be equal to 3 upon 10 and B is equal to minus 1 upon 10. We go to the next one, which I've already written here. This we do go and do it by हम लोग typical LCM करते हैं, तो हम लोग लसा भी बोलते हैं गुजराती में या हिंदी में भी. तो we'll cross multiply these two. 3 plus 2I into 2 plus 5I. 3 minus 2I, 2 minus 5I, and down. So this into this into this, and नीचे दोनों. 2 minus 5I, 2 plus 5I. Now when we multiply individually, just for a change, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15I, 2 2s are 4I, 2 5s are 10I square. Because यहाँ पे प्लस है, so we don't have to worry. अगर यहाँ पे माइनस होता तो इसके बाद जो भी टर्म है we put it in bracket, because माइनस के कारण सबका साइन चेंज होगा. So this is very crucial point. If it is minus here, we have to be very particular. We put the whole thing in bracket. अब यहाँ पे प्लस है, so we need not worry. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, minus into plus minus, 2 2s are 4I, minus into minus plus 10I square. denominator we get 2 to the 4 minus 5 5 the 25 I square. Now here itself we can check out if anything is cutting. हम लोग उसको काट देते हैं. जैसा देखो plus 15 minus 59 plus 4i minus 4i. So 6 and 6 will be 12. This will be minus 1. So we get 12 minus 10 और इसका भी minus 10 upon 4 plus 25. So 10 and 10 will be 20. So you get minus 8 because minus 20 plus 1 will be minus 8. Minus 8 upon 29. Now I have to write it in the form a plus bi. So there is no I wala term, so we write it as minus 8 upon 25 plus 0i. So by equality of complex numbers, a is minus 8 upon 25, b is 0. Now I made a mistake here. 25 and 4 is 29. Sorry. So this will be 29. So it will be minus 8 upon 29. So just make the corrections and go ahead with the sum. Have a look at it. In the meantime, you can take a pause, see what you have understood. How do you find anything difficult? And on that basis, in the meantime, I'll continue with the next. Okay, I've written 2 more sums on the board. The first exercise, the second question का 5th और 6th. Nearly सब sums मैंने किए, but I would be happy if you all write it down separately and do it. As I told you, buy a thicker book for about 304 pages, 400 pages का book for each section of maths. This is the textual sums that we are doing. I'll be giving you ample sums of practice, which you'll get as per a PDF file via WhatsApp. You have to solve those sums and send it to me at regular intervals. Okay. Now here, as I told you, we all know that I square is minus 1. तो shortcut ही पकड़ते हैं. So I will be root of minus 1. तो ये root 3 into root minus 1 हो जाता है. So this will automatically become like root 3 and root of minus 1. Down also root 3 root of minus 1 into 10. इसकी जगह पे will become I. So it will become 2 plus root 3i. 2 plus 4 plus root 3i. Let me check. Now, as I told you, whenever we are doing rational numbers, not rational numbers, complex numbers, we always see that the denominator's conjugate is being multiplied. So, यहाँ पे denominator का conjugate will be 4 minus root 3i. So when we multiply, it will become like this 2 4 the. So it is like how we multiply 2 factors in algebra. Same thing. 2 4 the 8. 2 into root 3i minus 2 root 3i. Root 3i into 4 plus 4 root 3i. Root 3i into root 3i. And plus into minus is minus. Root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. I into I will give you I square. In the denominator, as we all know, because we are multiplying by the conjugate, it is a plus b, a minus b type. So it will automatically become a square minus b square. So this will be 4 square is 16. Root 3 ka square will be 3 I square. We take the similar terms. Now if I say similar terms or like terms, we take these two together because I square ka value is minus 1. So this will become 3. 3 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 2 plus 4. So it will be plus 2 root 3 I upon 16 plus 3 will be 19. So we can split them up. 11 upon 19. 2 root 3 I upon 19. 2 upon root 3 into I. So this will make it more clear. So when we are doing the comparison, we say by equality of complex numbers. Since we have started let A plus B, इसलिए it's better एक ही टाइम start कर दो. So you get A is 11 upon 19 and B is 2 root 3 upon 19. And for this some textual answer is wrong, so please make those corrections even behind in your textbook, so that if you give your textbook to someone, at least he will benefit. Now this again we take you back to how to find the various values of I. So first I will say I raised to 8. It's an even number, so we write it as I squared the whole raised to 4. I squared the value is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to even number is plus 1. Second I'm going to find odd wala. Whenever we have odd wala, 8 I bar निकाल दो. I raised to 8. And हम लोग I raised to 8 का already find out हो चुका है, extra 1 है. So I into 1, which will be I. Then we come to I raised to 11, again an odd number. We take out 1 I. And then we have I raised to 10. I square is to 5. I square का value is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 5 will be minus, so we get minus I. Then we have I raised to 10, which is again because it's even, I square raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5, which we have already found out here, will be minus 1. But this way, so what are the main suspects? Even रहेगा तो I square raised to could be आएगा, और रहेगा तो we have to remove one I and then go with the sum. Therefore, A plus BI is equal to, for I raised to 8 we write 1, 4, minus, for I raised to 9 we have minus I, so minus 3 into minus I plus 3. For नीचे I raised to 11 is minus I. I raised to 9. I is minus I. So I raised to 9 is I not 9. I raised to 11 is minus I. I raised to 10 is minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1, minus 2. So we get 4 plus 3, 7 minus 3i, with the denominator 4 minus 2, because minus and minus will become plus. 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 3i. Okay. Once you get this, we have to rationalize. So whenever we rationalize, we multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. 2 plus 3i, 2 plus 3i. So multiplied and divided by conjugate of the denominator. 2 sevens are 14, 7 threes are 21. I. First 7 से पूरा ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करो फिर 3i से, तो minus 3 into 2 is minus 6i, minus into minus, minus to plus is minus, 3 3s are 9i square square is 4 minus 9i square. This is a plus b a minus b, going to be a square minus b square. Simplify करते हैं. So when we take this and this together, this will become plus 9. 14 plus 9 is 23. 21 minus 6 will be 15. And in the denominator, we have 4 plus 9, 13. So your final answer will be, we will split up this 13 into two parts. 23 upon 13 plus 15 upon 39. So comparing. Therefore, I am not writing again, but we have to write it by equality of complex numbers because we have started like yesterday. So when we compare, we get A is equal to 23 upon 30 and B is equal to 15 upon 30. Now, इसमें का एक या दो sum out of the total 7 sums, I think I have done all. ये एक छोड़ा है, so please see that you do it for homework. Apart from that, I will be giving you a set of sums which you will do it again. Now take a pause of 2 seconds. Pause कर लो अपने आप को, कॉपी कर लो अच्छी तरह से. Okay guys, now we go with the third sum. Same exercise. आज हम लोग exercise का working out schedule चालू है, तो we look into that very clearly. Now for this you should know a plus b the whole cube. So I think you know this. A plus b the whole cube. There are different ways of writing. Simple form is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. There is another version, common निकाल के, so it can also be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now whichever version आपको use करना use करो, and we will do the expansion. Okay, so we have minus 1 plus root 3i the whole cube. So I go by the simplest form. You can also go by this form. This is also right. Only thing is here, when you solve, you will come to know कि दोनों का matrices क्या है. First I write minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square root 3i plus 3 into minus 1 root 3i the whole square plus root 3i the whole cube. Now one thing you should know, ये i जो है root के बाहर है, so don't misunderstand that. minus 1 को 3 बार multiply करते हैं, minus 1 plus 3 into 1 into root 3i. Here you get minus 3 into 1 into root 3i. Now only one thing I've done here, minus into plus, minus किया है, plus root 3 को 3 बार multiply करेंगे, root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Okay, root 3 will become 3. So this will become 3 root 3 I cube. So I square is minus 1. Let it be, हम लोग इस तरह से लिखते हैं. So this will become minus 1 plus 3 root 3 I. और यहाँ पे इधर स्क्वायर था, so root 3 का स्क्वायर will be 3, I का स्क्वायर will be I square. So I made a mistake there. Minus 3 3 का 9 I square plus 3 root 3 I square into I. Just basic simplification. We all know that I square का value is minus 1. So we'll have minus 1 plus 3 root 3 I. Okay. Minus 1 plus 3 root 3 I Minus 9 into 1 will become plus 9, and this will become minus 1 into I. So this will be minus 3 root 3I. This will become minus 1. So minus 1 into root 3 minus 3 root 3. So plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 cut. 10 minus 1 is 9. So when you solve it, we get it as 9. Again I made a mistake. ये minus इसको क्या कर? This will become plus 9. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. Sorry, which is a real number. देखो ऐसा mistake मत करना. जो this अभी थोड़ी देर पहले we've already done all this type. और रहेगा तो we take out 1i and write I raised to 34 because 34 plus 1 35. It digest का rule. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Then we express the inner part. This I write it as I square raised to 17 because 17 to the 34. This is a raised to n. The whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So indices या घातांक का knowledge to some extent. I square का value is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to an odd number will be minus 1. So you will get minus I. कैसा मिलता है? I minus 1 raised to 17. If this is odd, minus बचेगा. So the answer will be minus I. You go to the next one. मैंने odd numbers लिखा है. Even numbers you will be doing for homework. Here again, I को अलग कर दो. I raised to 92. 92 plus 1 is 93. और उसके अंदर I square 2 4 the 8 2 6 are 12. Now this is even number. I minus 1 is to 46, so it will be plus 1, so answer will be 1. Now we come to the next one, 403. As usual, I raised to 402. I square is to 2 to the 4, 0 to 1 the 2. It's an odd number. Whenever you have I square is to odd number, it will always be minus 1. I square is to even number, it will always be plus 1. So this will become I into minus 1, so it will be minus I. In this case, we have to, because all are even, directly I square का topic लेंगे. I square raised to 50, I square raised to 20, I square raised to 25, I square raised to 30. 30 2s are 60, 25 2s are 50, 50 2s are 40, 15 2s are 30. Odd number रहेगा तो minus 1 बचेगा. So this is like minus 1 raised to 15, minus 1 raised to 20, minus 1 raised to 25, minus 1 raised to 30. So this will be minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So it will be 0. So these two sums. Second, we have finished the third and the fourth. Third and the fourth. Fifth one, इसी तरह solve करना है. जो fifth question है, उसमें they asked us that prove that it's a real number, so you will not get any term with I. Solve करने के बाद कुछ ना कुछ number आएगा. So do that also for homework. Now we continue with the sixth. In the meantime, just take some time to copy it down. I'll just finish it off and we go ahead. Okay. As I told you, हम लोग ने previously अभी ये एक्सरसाइज में वी हैव फिनिश्ड अप टिल द फिफ्थ सम. Sixth is same like the previous sum that I did in the last. Fourth का last sum और fifth and sixth are same. तो please do it that way. देखो कि उसमें आई आता है कि नहीं आता है. If they ask you it's real, आई वाला टर्म आना ही नहीं चाहिए. आई वाला टर्म कट जाएगा and you will get any number. Now I have written the seventh and the eighth sum. इसमें सेवन थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. अगर हम लोग सम देखेंगे तो उन लोग ने दिया है 1 square plus I square plus I raised to 4 I raised to 6. तो हर टाइम I का पावर्स उन लोग 2 से बढ़ाते जाते हैं. तो 1 square plus I square, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 and so on. तो मैंने उसको पूरा 20 तक लिखा है. यू कैन सी 1 पहले लिखा I square plus I raised to 4, 6 plus 8, तो 10 plus 12, 14 plus 16 और 18 plus 20. As such, we'll take the breakup. I square का value we all know is -1 and this will be I square the whole square. Okay. Similarly here, I raised to 6 है तो it will be I square the whole cube. I square the whole raised to 4. I raised to 10 will again be I square raised to 5. I square raised to 6, because 6 to the 12, 5 to the 10. Here I square raised to 7. I square raised to 8. I square raised to 9. I square raised to 10. So in this case, I square raised to an odd number will be -1 and I square raised to even number will be +1. So here we can see 1 plus -1, this is -1 raised to 2, so this will be +1. इसी तरह सब जगह आएगा. -1 raised to 3, -1 plus 1, -1 raised to 5, -1 plus 1, -1 raised to 7, -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1. So this all will be 0. So you get 1 plus, कितना सब zeros की जगह पे मैं कल 1 0 लिखता है तो final answer will be 1. Very important sum, a very simple sum. Only we have to understand how to deal with the concepts. Now, coming back to the next sum, these type of sums are very important because these are the ones which are asked for more marks. So, यहाँ पे सबसे पहला what we will try to do is that we will try to write both the sides in the form a plus bi या पूरा bracket खोलो. There are two ways of doing the sum. In either ways, comparative study में हम लोग घूम फिर के एक ही जगह पे आएंगे. तो what we will do just ये I को उधर लेके जाते हैं. तो x plus 2y, 2x minus 3y इसके साथ I है is equal to 5 minus 4i. तो if you look at it properly, ये वाले टर्म में I नहीं है, ये वाला टर्म में I नहीं है. In this term you have I and in this term also you have I. By equality of complex numbers, what we get, this and this is same. X plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to -4. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Your homework is to solve this to find the value of x and y. Check if you're getting the answers. If you're not, send it to me. I will help you to solve it. Okay? Just have a look at it properly. You have to solve the simultaneous equation. या हम लोग उसको वर्गात्मक समीकरण बोलते हैं. वर्गात्मक समीकरण को solve करो and you'll get your answer. I hope you understood this. We go to the next question right now. Just take a few seconds, have a look. ओके 8 का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन मैंने राइट साइड पे लिखा हुआ है. Now these are the important questions and we should always be sure कि हम लोग को इस टाइप का सम्स आ जाए और यही हम लोग का स्कोरिंग रहता है. 90% केसेस अगर तुम लोग देखोगे तो यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स में वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू एक्सप्रेस द सम इन द फॉर्म a प्लस बी आई. ठीक है, और उसके बाद हम लोग को कंपैरेटिव स्टडी में बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है. तो सपोज द सम लेट मी चेक इफ आई गेट इट राइट. x plus 1 upon 1 plus xi y minus 1 upon 1 minus xi. Now if you can see ये दोनों एक दूसरे का कॉन्जुगेट ही है, तो देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ डूइंग. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो बिकॉज ये दोनों एक दूसरे का कॉन्जुगेट नहीं है, तो इसका कॉन्जुगेट ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको अलग करो, इसका कॉन्जुगेट ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको अलग करो. ठीक है, बट दैट वे बी मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. यहाँ पे वी कैन सी दैट हियर कॉन्जुगेट, so we take x plus 1 upon 1 plus I, 1 minus I, y minus 1, 1 plus I. So what we have done, we have just done cross multiplication upon 1 plus I, 1 minus I is equal to I. So when we multiply x into 1 is x, x into minus I minus xi, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into I minus I, y into 1 y, y into I yi, minus 1 minus I, 1 minus I square is equal to I. Just simplifying terms, देखो plus 1 minus 1, x और y साथ में ले लेते हैं, x plus y minus xi plus yi minus xi. तो x हो गया, y हो गया, xi आ गया, y आ गया, minus i minus 2i और नीचे होगा अपॉन 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to i. तो अलग अलग तरीके से we can do the comparison. तो ये 2 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ये बिना i का टर्म, ये i वाला टर्म. Okay, so if you take it like this is like 0 plus 2i. खाली 2i था, तो x और y पॉजिटिव है, उसको लिखा, प्लस लिख के अंदर जितना भी i वाला टर्म है एवरीथिंग इज अकॉर्डिंग विद द साइन माइनस x प्लस y माइनस 2. तो कंपेयरिंग x plus y is equal to 0 and minus x plus y minus 2 is equal to 2. ये दोनों simultaneous इक्वेशन को तुम लोगों को सॉल्व करना है and give it to me at home. Now we come to one of the most important topics of this chapter, where we use the concept of division and we try to solve the sums. Now, whenever we have these type of sums, तो if जो condition दी है उसी को पहला लेना है. So we'll say x is equal to 2 plus 3i. उसमें i वाला टर्म को we have to write it separately. तो i इधर है तो 2 इधर लेके आओ. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 3i. And then we'll do squaring both sides. So as soon as we square both sides, we have x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 3i the whole square. The main reason why I am doing this ताकि i को eliminate करें. So when we take it, we get x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 3 I square, which 3 threes are 9, or I square का -1 minus 9. So this 9 will come here. So we get x square minus 4x plus 13 is equal to 0, because 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay. Now what we will do is that we will be using this to divide the original equation, the original expression. Now I think you better finish that. So just remove that. You have to solve that part and give it to me. We will continue here. So we see dividing. X cube minus x square plus x plus 46 by x square minus 4x plus 13. So we have x cube minus x square plus x plus 46, and we divide it by x square minus 4x plus 13. बचपन का डिवीजन में हम लोग फिर से जाएंगे. तो पहले we want x cube here. तो x into how much is x cube? X. So x into x square, x cube, x into 4x minus 4x square, x into 13 plus 13x. Sign change करना पड़ेगा because division है. So when we do minus, ये कटेगा. Right? So you get 4 minus x square. This is plus 4 minus 1, so 3x square, minus 13 plus 1, minus 12x plus 46. Again, x square into what will be 3x square? 3. So we'll write here 3. So 3 into x square is 3x square. 3 for the 12x. 3 13 the 39. Change the sign. Minus plus minus. Right? So ultimately we get 46 minus 39, where the remainder is 7. Then we use the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor प्लस रिमाइंडर. ये हम लोग बचपन में मैनी टाइम्स के डिविडेंड मतलब जिसको हम लोग ने डिवाइड किया. तो दिस इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 46. Quotient we got x plus 3. Divisor is x square minus 4x plus 13 plus 7. Now we have already proved x square minus 4x plus 13 is 0. So it will be x plus 3 into 0 plus 7. So the answer is 7. So the value of the dividend that they have given is 7. So this type of sums are very very important. And these are sure questions. ऐसे questions हमेशा कॉलेज वाले पूछते हैं. तो please have a look and do it. So let's do the last sum of this exercise. 9th question, the second part. So the first thing that is given here, we'll take that. So we say since x is equal to 25 upon 3 minus 4x. अभी देखो ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं, but that will take a long way and again bring a little complication because x दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. तो पहले यहीं पे सिंप्लीफाई करते थे. तो whenever we want to simplify like this, as I told you, इसका मेन मकसद है we'll always multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate of the denominator is 4 plus 3i. So I just put it in bracket. So 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. And then we have 3 3s are 9 minus 16 I square. So 9 minus 16, I square will be minus 1. So it will be 75 plus 100i अपॉन 25। दोनों को 25 से डिवाइड करते या ऊपर से 25 कॉमन निकालो। 3 ज़ा 4 ज़ा 3 plus 4 है। Take 3 on this side, therefore we'll get x minus 3 is equal to 4 है। And then, so whenever we have any sum like this, हम लोग को इसी तरह करना है, I को अकेला करना है after simplifying and then squaring both sides। तो x minus 3 का whole square is equal to 4i का whole square। x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 16i square, which is minus 16 ही बचेगा तो plus, so you get x square minus 6x plus 25 is equal to 0। तो minus 16 होएगा, when it comes on this side it will come plus, so 16 plus 9 we all know is 25। So you get x square minus 6x plus 25 is 0। Now the second part of the sum, we have to do the division। So the question is dividing 2x cubed minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27 by x square minus 6x plus 25। X square minus 6x plus 25. First we take 2x, because 2x into x square is 2x cube. 2x cube minus 6 to the 12x square, 25 to the 50x। Change the sign, minus plus minus, ये कट हो जाएगा। 12 minus 1 is x square, and here 50 minus 44, so 44 plus how much is 56? Already the x square तो plus 1, अच्छा उधर क्या कि मैंने लिखा, मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम, I write it there। तो 1 into x square is x square, 1 into 6 minus 6x, 1 into 25 plus 25, change the sign, so ultimately we get 2 as the remainder। And as we all know, इससे पहले भी लिखा था, quotient into divisor plus remainder, तो we get quotient कितना है, 2x plus 1 divisor x square minus 6x plus 25 plus 2, and this is 0, so this will be 2x plus 1 into 0 plus 2, the answer will be 2। So this last sums are very very important, and these are the ones which are mostly asked, so please see that तुम लोग ये sum करो, और इसके बाद मैं तुम लोग को कुछ additional sums देता हूँ। I'll be sending it to you as homework along once you finish with this topic. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. I hope you understood this part of complex numbers.